This hotel was once called Club Serena Beach Hotel, but today it is a completely different hotel, and it is called Benata Hotel. We are back in Turkey. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel. We release new hotel reviews every week. So let's get started. The 5-star Benata Hotel is located in Turkey, in the city of Side. It underwent a complete renovation in 2023, and it was after this that it reopened under a different name. The hotel consists of a main 2-story building and 11 3-story buildings without elevators. The hotel has a beautiful green area with life-size giraffe figures everywhere, and swings and hammocks add a cozy touch. The hotel operates only in the summer season, and it has a very small gym, a treadmill, a bicycle, and an elliptical trainer. The hotel offers ultra all-inclusive dining. There are also 5 à la carte restaurants. As usual, a prior reservation is required. With a stay of 7 nights, 1 free visit is possible. The hotel has 2 outdoor pools, the main pool, which is located near the buildings, and next to it is the children's pool. There is also a pool with slides. All pools are unheated. The hotel's private sand and pebble beach offers free umbrellas and sunbeds. The water gets deep quickly when entering. There is a snack bar on the beach and a stage for evening entertainment. For children, the hotel has a mini club, a playground, a children's pool, and a children's water park. A great design solution for family rooms. They have 2 balconies and 2 bathrooms. Rooms of the Selectum Garden Room with Jacuzzi category are located in additional buildings on the ground floor and have a jacuzzi on the terrace. The rooms have a safe, a tea set, a mini bar that is only replenished with water, bathrobes, and slippers. Among the advantages of the hotel are its compact area and huge beach, modern interiors, and stylish design solutions. An excellent snack bar on the beach with a variety of dishes, where waiters serve according to the menu. A decent selection of dishes in the main restaurant, a good selection of bottled beer, and imported alcohol in the lobby. Free internet throughout the area. Children's and adult water parks and rooms with jacuzzis on the ground floors. The disadvantages include poor cleaning of the area, but if you make a remark, they immediately start doing something about it. The children's club will only be interesting for little ones. The pebble entry into the sea is both a plus and a minus. On the one hand, we have a very beautiful clean blue sea, but on the other hand, the pebble entry is not very convenient without special shoes. We wish you a pleasant holiday and many enjoyable experiences. Subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. We release reviews of new hotels every week.